We do drinking water. They don't have to be a tank at all. It could be a reservoir, for example. They work in all weather conditions, from the deserts to the Alaska snow-capped tanks, etc. We do from BioCamp water, which has this green tank on the left, to Lech water, which is not the same tank, but it looks like the same tank over on the right. And again, we do very tall tanks with some of our technologies, which I think is unique to us, in particular with our non-contact radar. That's very new technology out for this price point and this type of application embedded with cellular. Non-contact radar has been around for quite some time, but we've just now realized the sensors at lower costs, and we're embedding them in our TankScan monitors to bring that technology into these applications where in the past they were just cost prohibitive. We do midstream natural gas with compressor oils and the different fluids that are required in that field. We do frag tanks, crude oil tanks. We do different types of chemical tanks of all shapes and sizes. We do drilling chemicals, the open top tanks, the overflow tanks, you name it. So at the end, really, you define the problem and we can most likely provide the solution.